Hello everyone, this is Sean Michael with Beaton Brothers Property Experts. Welcome to 6040 Big Sky Drive in Rye, Colorado. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,600 square foot house, and just over 51 acres included. Let's check it out. Also included is an attached indoor cultivation facility just over 2,300 square feet that can be remodeled or redone to any shop or idea you can think of. Let's take a look. Just like this view, this home is one of a kind. Don't miss this opportunity. Call or text today for more information.